Successful cultures must be growing, must be changing, must be improving, but the consistent thing must be intention around the conversations you're creating within. I'm pretty interactive, as you can tell. I'm also the host of tonight's Paragon Award, so I need to find out, is anybody fired up besides me?
Billy's the author of the book Culture Reconstructed and is president of Elevate Experiences.
One of our colleagues had seen him somewhere else, and I said, we really need something that's going to motivate our team. And she said, I got the right guy. Trust me, I got the right guy.
The fourth wall? It's this concept that there's this wall between the stage and the audience. I want to break through that as fast as I possibly can.
My theme as I kick this off is this idea of building championship culture. And I think championship culture starts with people that decide to be unconventional leaders.
A lot of us have taken that same mentality we had in school. We feel like we need to wait for permission to go do something great. If you have an idea for a podcast, go do it. If you have an idea here at Day Rise that leadership needs to know that would make the business better, say it.
This message is really very universal, and it aligns very much with our values, and our focus on unity is right into exactly what his message is, and everything really worked in sync.
Fundamentals enable success. I don't think we should just go back to the basics once a year. I think spending time to go back to the basics. What made the part of what we do at GWCCA great? Let's go back to that.
If you want to really grow, take that dangerous question and begin to ask it to your colleagues. And if you're on the other side delivering that information, don't be vindictive. Be honest, but be fruitful in the way you communicate it, right?
I think that every single one of us have the opportunity to say, there's something I can put in my tool belt to continue to get better.
Go be great. Thanks so much.